Today we're talking about rotations in geometry. A rotation in geometry is taking a shape and turning it. The resulting image is congruent, which means same shape, same size, to the pre-image. When rotating 180 degrees, the x-coordinates and the y-coordinates both change signs. So if they were negative, they become positive, and vice versa. Here is an example of a 180-degree rotation. You will notice that the signs of the x and the y coordinates changed from the original signs. When rotating 90 degrees clockwise, that's one turn to the right, you will change the sign of the x coordinate, then switch with the y coordinate. Here is an example of a 90-degree clockwise rotation of the following points: 3, 4, 3, 7, 5, 6. Again, change the x and then flip it with the y. When rotating 90 degrees counterclockwise, that's one turn to the left, change the sign of the y-coordinate, then switch it with the x-coordinates. Here is an example of a 90-degree counterclockwise rotation, again of the same points: 3, 4, 3, 7, 5, 6. This time change the sign of the y and flip with the x. I hope this helps clarify rotations without a graph. Please subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it.